Sunlight filters through the dense jungle canopy as Peter and Jasmine tread along a forgotten trail. They halt before a hidden entrance, obscured by thick vines and ancient gears. Drawn by curiosity, they step inside, the air filled with strange whirring sounds. Peter and Jasmine step into Clockwork clearing, where mechanical wonders fill the air with a strange stillness. Copper monkeys hang motionless. Steam-powered butterflies pause mid-flutter, and clockwork birds perch silently, creating a scene of eerie beauty. Jasmine observes, "This is incredible, but also creepy." Peter and Jasmine enter the hidden temple, its walls adorned with clock symbols, the scent of damp stone filling the air. Jasmine, her brow furrowed in concentration, deciphers the symbols. "I've deciphered the symbols. They reveal the location of the time core and the identity of the thief. Tak, a mischievous monkey." Peter scans the room, spotting the steam traps, and affirms, "Looks like we've got our work cut out for us."